Is that a thing like they say? I heard. I don't know. I never read it. I never Googled it. But since you're in that domain, let me ask you this: is that when you get in a car accident, I hear people say if you piss on yourself or number two on yourself, you got a lot of money. Is that true?
I've never heard that.
I've heard that. No, I've heard that all the time. I've heard that all the time. It's like a
Really?
thing. It's kind of
Yes.
like if you pee or use a number two on yourself, it's considered like public embarrassment or something in a
public
sense.
embarrassment. Is that a thing?
And then that means that's like if you get in a wreck and then you do that on yourself and they call it public, like that's something I hear all the time. Like I said, I'm no judge, no lawyer, I don't know, but that's something I hear all the time.
That sounds like one of them urban myths.
It is. I'm glad you're here to clarify this. I'm glad you're here to
But if
clarify
that's
this.
all I accomplish here today, that we've got
Hey,
accomplished
I
something
feel
good.
like because I've heard that from so many people.
So many.
To where it's kind of like it's a thing. If somebody hits you, pee or poo in yourself, if the ambulance can come and verify that you did that, it's public embarrassment.
Man,
that's probably a couple $100,000 more. Sometimes.
I have never heard that. I'm sorry.
Hey, have you heard that, Tiffany? See, I'm not the only person.
Well,
who just,
I must be non-hip on that kind of stuff, but I've been doing this almost 30 years.
I know,
I'm sure you would have
I've
known
done
about that.
And I have in 30 years, almost 30 years of practicing personal injury law, I think I've only had one time where someone gotten a horrible injury and their bowels released on them, and that was like a super major wreck, and their whole that only one time out of representing thousands of
But
people.
was it something you point out to the court as my client did this and this and that? You should get more or whatever.
Well, it's just one more element of saying what happened to somebody.
Yes, yes.
But I'm telling you, out of thousands of clients over almost 30 years, I've only seen that happen.
But I think when your adrenaline is so high, it'd be really hard for you to do at the time, unless if it really happened on accident. I don't think that's something like, even though when you got a really car accident, somebody hits you, I don't think that's the first thing that's going through your mind. Oh shit, let me pee right quick.
No,
I don't think-
that's just crazy.
But the thing is, I'm glad you're here to clear this out because I swear I probably heard this for at least 50 people, if not more. And it's kind of like an urban myth. And then that's always the thing.
Right.
If you get in a wreck, make sure you pee or poo in yourself. That's like a few $100,000 more. If everybody says that,
I think that's
honestly,
an urban myth, man.
Well, I'm glad you got to say that.